Hi everyone, I'm Sio from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to make TikTok videos using CapCut. Whether you are looking to add cool transitions, music or effects, CapCut makes editing your TikTok content easy and fun. So, let's get started on how to make TikTok videos using CapCut. First, open the CapCut app on your mobile device. Go to the Templates section. Search for the template that you want to use to make the TikTok video. Once you find the template, tap on it to open it. Now, tap on the Use Template button. Choose the photos or videos you want to include in the template. Then, tap on the Next button in the bottom right corner. If you are satisfied with the video, tap on the Export button from the top right corner. Select the Save and Share to TikTok option. Your video is now ready to be shared. Finally, add any necessary tags and captions and share your video on TikTok. And this is how you can make TikTok videos using CapCut. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.